Robot dogs with a price tag of $300,000 each are now patrolling some of the largest data centers in the country. But are they actually worth it, or just an expensive gimmick? These robot dogs aren't guard dogs in the traditional sense. They don't bite. They don't bark. What they do is walk. Specifically, they function as mobile camera platforms that can patrol areas dynamically, unlike the fixed surveillance cameras we're all used to seeing. The key difference is movement. A traditional security camera sits in one spot, covering a predetermined angle. A robot dog can roam throughout a facility, checking different areas at different times, potentially spotting issues that might fall into the blind spots of a stationary system. But here's where the debate gets interesting. Many people in the tech community are questioning whether this is really worth the cost. The general consensus among observers is that these machines appear to be, fundamentally, walking camera platforms. That raises an obvious question. Couldn't traditional, much cheaper surveillance cameras accomplish the same security goals? After all, you could install dozens, maybe hundreds of fixed cameras for the price of a single robot dog. Modern camera systems can cover nearly every angle. They don't need to be charged. They don't have moving parts that can break down. And they're already proven technology. The counter-argument is that mobility itself has value. A robot that can investigate an unusual sound, check on a specific door, or patrol unpredictable routes might deter intruders more effectively than cameras alone. There's also the possibility these systems carry additional sensors beyond cameras, though that hasn't been publicly detailed. There's a broader cultural element here too. The community generally holds that deploying these kinds of robotic security systems represents America moving toward a techno-dystopian reality that was once confined to science fiction. Whether that's concerning or simply inevitable depends on your perspective. Data centers are high-value targets. They house the servers that run everything from social media to banking systems. The companies operating them clearly believe the investment is justified. Whether the technology actually delivers $300,000 worth of security advantage over conventional systems remains an open question. The bottom line, robot dogs are patrolling data centers as mobile surveillance platforms, but whether they're worth their massive price tag compared to traditional cameras is still being debated. What do you think? Innovative security or expensive overkill?